this is Vartika Singh and welcome back to my channel. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe kar dena and comment down #new subscriber and you can be a part of the giveaway. And also do follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, तो आज हम करने वाले हैं Flipkart tops haul. तो it's not just a normal top. So I have bought some Instagram trendy stuff from Flipkart. तो आप जैसे Instagram पे trendy tops देखते हो Instagram store से, so I have bought like exactly same things from Flipkart but the price is like less than the half. So we'll see कि उसका quality कैसा होता है and everything. So yeah, so I have these 3 tops from Flipkart. So we'll be reviewing them one by one and also wait for the last top because the last one is super gorgeous. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the video. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So आपने ये टॉप ना हर Instagram ब्लॉगर और इन्फ्लुएंसर को लाइक एक बार तो पहने देखा ही होगा. So this is basically a puff sleeves full top. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि which is the top I am talking about. तो now talking about the price. तो इसका price था around 300 something. Now coming to the quality is not at all good. तो इसमें ये जो इसका body और इसका sleeves का material अलग है. So that looks very weird. तो इसका ये जो body का part है ना, ये ribbed sort of material में है और इसका जो sleeves है it is of some very cheap fabric due to which ये top बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है and ये बिल्कुल classy नहीं लगता. So you'll find like similar tops on many Instagram stores and एक से मैंने उसका price पूछा था तो it was around 1200 or 1300 something and this is just for rupees 300 something. So obviously I can't expect like a very good quality but definitely ये देखने में cheap लगता है. like in pictures or in videos it doesn't look as cheap but in real it doesn't look good at all. So let me wear this and show it to you guys कि ये कैसा लगता है. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. So as I said ये pictures and videos में बिल्कुल भी cheap नहीं लगेगा. अभी आपको देखने में भी ये अच्छा लग रहा होगा but in real it looks quite cheap. like I would say कि बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है. It's okay-ish. like 300 में what more can you expect? But if you are a fashion blogger or influencer, you can really get this and it looks really good in pictures and videos. Just look at it. It's looking really good and I'm pretty sure I'll make a video wearing this top. Okay, so now let's move on with the next top. So this is what the top looks like. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. So basically it's a wrap top and काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है इसको पहनना. Wait, हाँ, ऐसा कुछ है टॉप का. Now this is not very cheap. This is like okay. So इसका price था around 700 which I think is pretty good and that's why इसका quality is nice. like the fabric is not very soft but it's okay and you can work with it. like आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा इसको कि ये कैसे पहनना है. so I'll go and I'll show कि ये पहनने के बाद कैसा लगता है. So this is what the second top looks like and I must say I'm pretty happy with this one and this is the best out of the 3. So ये white है. Despite being white, it is not at all transparent and that's the best thing. Now ये wrap top है so I have just like made a bow इधर side में and this top looks really good and classy. You can easily use this for formal wear or informal wear and this one is really cute. I'm loving this one actually. So इसके ना drop shoulder kind of effect है. तो इसका shoulder basically यहाँ पे है. I'm not a big fan of drop shoulder but that's okay. I mean I love this top. That's what I can say. So you can definitely consider buying this one. Now let's move on with the third and the last top. ना ये टॉप ना आपने सबको पहने देखा ही होगा डेफिनेटली, लाइक हर एक फैशन ब्लॉगर और इन्फ्लुएंसर को, एंड स्पेशली ये कलर में. I have also worn this in a previous video, which is the kurti haul, and yeah, people love this. So this is what the top looks like. अब आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि which top I am talking about. So it's in a very beautiful lavender color, and इसका price again काफ़ी कम था, so it was around 300 something. Now since इसका प्राइस कम है, so the quality is not that good. like इसके अंदर का जो लाइनिंग है ना, that's pretty short, like वो पूरा होना चाहिए, like लेकिन ये पूरा नहीं है, which I think like cheap thing. They have to cut short from somewhere, and then they have this elastic, what they say, elastic sleeves, no I don't know, whatever it is, but it's okay. Again, it's very beautiful for pictures, but you can't really wear this in real life. Also it's super uncomfortable, like itna garta hai iska inner wala material, so you cannot definitely stand this for very long time. Now I'll quickly go and change into this pretty top, and I'll be back. So this is what the top looks like. I must say it's super beautiful and gorgeous, and you feel like a princess in this top. And if you can ignore the quality, then it's super good. Again, as I said, like it's very good for videos and pictures, but in real it will for sure look a bit cheap, but I think I can manage with that because it's so pretty. Just look at it, and the color is like a cherry on top. So yeah, I will recommend buying you this. This is like okayish quality as per the price. So yeah, that was it for today's video. और अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है, then I'm pretty sure you like this video. So do not forget to give a thumbs up, and also प्यार please subscribe कर दो चैनल को. Till then, see you all. Bye. Stay happy, stay positive.